Many preppers see a sale on LIKE 10 cans and immediately think, this is my chance to secure my family's future. The appeal is obvious. These large, sturdy cans promise years, sometimes decades, of shelf life, and the sense of security that comes with a pantry full of food is hard to beat. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, filling your cart with can after can, picturing yourself prepared for anything life might throw your way. Once home, you stack those cans neatly on your shelves, maybe even organizing them by type or expiration date. The sight of those rows of number 10 cans can be incredibly reassuring. It feels like you've taken a big step towards self-reliance and peace of mind. For many, this is where the story ends, at least for a while. But this set-it-and-forget-it mindset is a trap that catches even the most well-intentioned preppers. It's tempting to close the pantry door and move on, believing your emergency food supply is handled for good. Over time, though, those cans can become out of sight and out of mind, quietly gathering dust as months and years pass. The long shelf life of these cans makes it easy to ignore them, assuming they'll last forever. But even the best packaged foods have limits. Temperature fluctuations, humidity, and even the passage of time can all take their toll. Expiration dates can sneak up on you, and what once seemed like a rock-solid investment can quietly degrade behind closed doors. In reality, neglect can turn your investment into a loss. Food can degrade, spoil, or lose nutrition if not managed. Dented cans, rust, or even microscopic breaches in the seal can allow air and moisture inside, leading to spoilage or dangerous bacteria growth. And even if the food looks fine, its nutritional value can decline over time, leaving you with calories, but not the sustenance you need in an emergency. Imagine needing your emergency food, only to find it's unusable. In a crisis, discovering that your carefully stored food has gone bad can be devastating, not just financially, but emotionally. The sense of security you once felt is replaced by frustration and anxiety, and your family's well-being could be at risk. Your food storage isn't a passive asset, it needs regular attention. Just like any other investment, it requires maintenance and oversight. Checking your cans for damage, rotating your stock so older cans are used first, and keeping an updated inventory are all essential habits for a resilient prepper. This guide will show you how to actively manage your numbered 10 cans for maximum reliability. We'll cover practical steps for tracking expiration dates, inspecting for damage, and ensuring your food stays safe and nutritious. You'll learn how to set up a rotation system that works for your family so nothing gets forgotten or wasted. Whether you're just starting out with your first few cans or you've built a pantry that rivals a small grocery store, these steps will help you build a resilient food storage system. You'll gain confidence knowing that your emergency food is truly ready when you need it, not just sitting on a shelf gathering dust. Learn to store, rotate, and check your cans so your food is always safe and ready. With a little effort and a regular routine, you can protect your investment and ensure your family's security, no matter what comes your way. Don't let your emergency food become a forgotten liability. Make it a dependable resource that you can count on, year after year. With the right approach, your number 10 cans will be more than just a symbol of preparedness. They'll be a true lifeline when you need them most. Even sealed in metal, food isn't immune to heat, light, and moisture, the three silent enemies. Heat speeds up nutrient loss and spoilage, especially in vitamins and fats. Light, especially sunlight, can degrade vitamins and cause off flavors. Moisture can rust cans, leading to pinholes and spoilage. Store food in a cool, dark, dry place to defend against these threats. Even the best packaging can't compensate for poor storage conditions. Protect your investment by understanding and controlling these factors. Your food's longevity depends on your vigilance. Temperature is the biggest factor in food shelf life. For every 18°F increase, shelf life is cut in half. Storing cans in hot places like attics or garages can ruin them in a few years. The best spots are cool, dark, and stable. Think basements or interior closets. Avoid temperature swings, which can stress seals and shorten shelf life. Use a thermometer to monitor your storage area. Get creative if space is limited. Under beds or in shaded closets work too. Prioritize a consistently cool environment to protect your food. Light and moisture are subtle but serious threats. Even though numbered 10 cans block light, keep your storage area dark to protect all your food. Darkness often means cooler temperatures, doubling your protection. Moisture attacks from the outside, causing rust and potential seal failure. Never store cans directly on concrete. Use shelves or pallets to keep them dry. In humid areas, consider a dehumidifier. Surface rust is mostly cosmetic, but deep rust or leaks mean the can is compromised. Keep air circulating and the environment dry to prevent mold and spoilage. Simple precautions can save your entire food supply. When you're ready to start using your long-term food storage, the very first step is opening a 10 can. Unlike the smaller cans you might use every day, these large cans require a bit more effort and the right tools. Always use a heavy-duty can opener designed for these oversized cans. This isn't just about convenience, it's about safety. A flimsy opener can slip or break, leading to sharp edges or even injuries. Take your time and make sure the lid comes off cleanly, so you don't risk metal shavings getting into your food. Once the can is open, don't just dive in. Inspect the contents carefully. Start by looking at the food. Does it look as you expect? Next, give it a good sniff. If it smells off, sour, or just unusual, that's a red flag. If everything seems normal, you can taste a small amount, but only if you're confident it's safe. Trust your senses. They're your first line of defense against spoiled food. If you notice any odd color, strange smell, or a texture that seems wrong, don't take chances. Food that's gone bad can make you seriously ill, so it's always better to be cautious. Throw out anything that seems questionable, even if you're not completely sure. Your health is worth more than a can of food. Remember, once you open a 10 can, the food inside is suddenly exposed to air and moisture. This exposure causes the shelf life to drop dramatically, sometimes from years down to just days. The clock starts ticking the moment that lid comes off. That's why it's so important to plan ahead. Before you open a can, think about how you'll use the contents. Will you cook a big batch for a group, or do you need to repackage the leftovers into smaller, more manageable portions? Having a plan helps you avoid waste and makes meal prep much easier. For short-term storage, plastic snap-on lids can help keep the food covered. But remember, these lids aren't airtight. They'll slow down spoilage a bit, but they won't stop it. If you want to keep the food fresh for more than a day or two, transfer it to airtight containers or even freeze it if possible. Never leave an opened can sitting on the shelf for weeks or months. Even if it looks okay, bacteria and mold can grow quickly once the seal is broken. Treat opened cans with the same urgency as you would leftovers from a home-cooked meal. Always label your opened cans with the date you opened them. This simple step helps you keep track of freshness and ensures you use up the food before it spoils. Think of every opened can as a perishable item, just like milk or cooked rice in your fridge. Proper handling after opening is key to preventing waste and keeping your food safe. Use clean utensils, avoid cross-contamination, and store leftovers in airtight containers as soon as possible. These habits will help you get the most out of your food stores. The bottom line? Be ready with a plan before you open any can. A little preparation goes a long way in making sure your food storage works for you, not against you. After opening, reseal or repackage food to keep it fresh. For short-term use, snap-on plastic lids help, but aren't airtight. For longer storage, divide food into mylar bags with oxygen absorbers and seal them. Vacuum sealers or mason jars with tight lids also work. Just store glass in the dark. Smaller portions make food easier to use and reduce waste. Repackaging recreates the original protective environment. Choose the method based on how soon you'll use the food. Don't rely on the original can after opening. Protect your investment by acting quickly. Proper repackaging extends freshness and usability. Prevent waste with a first in, first out, FIFO rotation system. Place new cans at the back, use older ones from the front. No spreadsheets needed, just consistent shelf organization. For large collections, use can rotation racks for automatic FIFO. Label each can with the purchase date for easy tracking. Even a simple marker helps you spot what to use next. Rotate regularly to keep your supply fresh. FIFO turns your storage into an active pantry, not a forgotten stash. This system saves money and ensures nothing expires unnoticed. Make rotation a habit for a reliable food supply. Regular audits keep your food storage reliable. Inspect each can for rust, bulges, leaks, or dents. Discard any compromised cans. Check dates and update your inventory. Move soon-to-expire items to a use-soon box. Audits help you spot gaps and prevent surprises in an emergency. Keep a simple list. paper, spreadsheet, or app to track what you have. Know your stock so you can plan meals and restock wisely. Preventative checks save money and ensure safety. Make audits a routine, not an afterthought. Active management is the key to food security. Managing your tin cans well transforms you from a passive collector to an active provider. Instead of simply accumulating cans and hoping for the best, you become someone who takes charge of your family's well-being. You're not just storing food, you're creating a reliable safety net that can support you through unexpected challenges, whether it's a job loss, a natural disaster, or simply a busy week when grocery shopping isn't possible. By taking the time to organize and manage your food storage, you're investing in your family's security and peace of mind. Simple habits, cool, dark, dry storage, rotation, regular checks, make all the difference. These aren't complicated systems, but they are powerful. Storing your cans in a cool, dark, and dry place helps preserve their quality and extends their shelf life. Regularly checking expiration dates and inspecting your storage area for signs of spoilage or pests ensures that your food remains safe and ready to use. These small actions, done consistently, can prevent costly mistakes and wasted food. These steps are easy to start, no matter your experience level. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone with years of experience, anyone can take these simple actions. You don't need a huge budget or a massive pantry, just a willingness to learn and a commitment to follow through. Even small efforts, like organizing a single shelf or labeling a few cans, can make a big difference over time. Heat, light, and moisture are your main enemies. Control them and you win most of the battle. Excess heat can shorten the shelf life of your food, while light can degrade nutrients and flavor. Moisture can lead to rust, spoilage, and even mold. By keeping your storage area cool, blocking out sunlight, and using moisture absorbers if needed, you're protecting your investment and ensuring your food will be there when you need it most. Rotation keeps your food fresh and familiar, reducing waste and boosting confidence. By always using the oldest cans first and placing new ones behind, you make sure nothing gets forgotten or expires unnoticed. This habit not only saves money but also helps you stay comfortable with the foods you store, making meal prep easier and less stressful during emergencies. Don't be intimidated. Start small and improve as you go. You don't need to overhaul your entire pantry overnight. Begin with a few cans, learn what works for your space and your family, and gradually build up your supply. Each small step you take adds up, and before you know it, you'll have a system that works for you. Move cans to better spots, label them, and use what you store. Make it a habit to check your pantry regularly, update labels with purchase or expiration dates, and incorporate stored foods into your everyday meals. This keeps your supply fresh and ensures you're always ready for whatever comes your way. Every improvement strengthens your preparedness. Each time you organize, rotate, or add to your storage, you're making your home more resilient. Celebrate these small victories. They add up to a big difference over time. You're not just storing food, you're building peace of mind and resilience. Sharing meals made from your stored food brings your family together and reinforces the value of your efforts. It's about more than just survival. It's about comfort, security, and confidence in your ability to handle whatever life throws your way. Take action today for a safer, more secure tomorrow. Start with what you have, make a plan, and commit to steady progress. Your future self and your loved ones will thank you for the steps you take now to build a resilient food supply.